Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel NYS Expedition. Today we are going to learn how to make an story in Scratch. So today we are going to animate a story in Scratch with the help of a tutorial. So in one of my last video I told you how to get a tutorial from the tutorial library in Scratch. So let's see how to get a tutorial and let's start our project. So first we must click this button and go to the tutorial library, and then today we are going to use this tutorial and make our project create a story. So let's see how to make it. I'm going to select it. So as I said in my previous video, so they are providing us all the steps which we must do, how to do it, and at the end they are recommending us some more projects to do with the help of the tutorial. So let's see one by one. First, as they are saying, we must add a backdrop. So I'm going to go to the backdrop library and select the backdrop which they are saying. Search for the witch house. This backdrop. So I took the same background which they are asking to choose. The next step, as they are saying, we must add the character wizard. To search for the character. So, okay, the character. Next, as they are saying, we must start to make our script for this sprite. So first we must go to the events blocks and when green flag is clicked, and then we must ask the sprite to say welcome to magic school. So let's see, will it work? Yes, it works. As they are saying, we must add another character. So we have to go to the sprite library and choose the character elf. So next we must flip the direction of this character to the left side. So I'm going to go to the costumes part and then make it flip horizontal. So that's how we can flip the side of a sprite. Next time again go to the code blocks. So next, as they are saying, we must make the script for this sprite, same in the previous one. When green flag is clicked, wait 2 seconds. Wait 2 seconds. And say I'm going on a quest. So in one of the previous tutorials I said you how to make a conversation between two sprites in Scratch. Hope that you remember the steps. So we must see the time here. So if it's 2 seconds, we can keep the same 2 seconds here and put the next conversation part, or we can add another extra second and keep it. Anyway, it's correct. So let's see how it works. So it works as the same way. The next step is add another backdrop. the backdrop library and adding the backdrop mountain. Next backdrop. So again we must make the script as when green flag is clicked, switch backdrop to the witch house, wait 4 seconds, and again switch backdrop to the mountain. So let's see how it works. So according to the next step, we must make one character hide. As when the backdrop switches to mountain, massage the sprite to hide. Next step is when green flag is clicked, must ask the sprite to show itself. So we don't need to make it again, so we can add the same part show in between these two parts in this script, so the same script. So let's see how this would work. We will enlarge the screen and see. Now I'm going to click the green flag. So this is a very easy way to make an animation or a story. So when making this project, we learn many things. We learn how to make a sprite hide and show when backdrop switch, and we learn how to make a backdrop switch and how to make a sprite talk. That topic we talked in one of the before tutorial. So hope you enjoyed this video. Let's meet with another new and interesting video. Thank you for watching this video.